Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, not too much new stuff here on the Bitcoin chart, but still lots of emotion currently in the market. We can see a lot of coins today coming down strongly. Just want to take a look here at CoinMarketCap as well. You can see that there's a lot of fear in the market now. Typically, I like to buy into fear, and buy orders are getting triggered here currently left, right, and center. And again, we can see Solana, $90. We talked about lower prices for all altcoins in the last few days. We see this playing out now. So the warning was there on this channel anyway. I feel we are all happy when prices drop because we are waiting still for Bitcoin to get into the target area between 20 and 29K. A lot of altcoins have reached their target areas already, and that is where it's getting a bit concerning, yeah, because we see altcoins hitting target areas, Bitcoin not yet. What happens when Bitcoin goes lower? These will maybe in many cases be under crossed below actually, so we might actually see even lower prices for many altcoins. But yeah, we see here currently really some of them really getting smashed down, including Phantom. Might really be that we finally see this what was it, 55 cent level I think for Phantom. I've been talking about for, well, since January. IOTA getting a bit concerned. What do we have? Harmony One also looking a bit concerning, which doesn't mean they are going to die, please don't misunderstand, but they are looking much more risky than many other coins. Cardano also a little bit tricky, yeah, and I will update you all on in these individual individual altcoin videos. I did quite a few altcoin videos, different altcoins today that many people requested, just to sort of be there, you know, when many people are fearful. And again, I always try to, you know, just explain here that this is part of a normal correction. But when we finally get into these target areas and even max them out, these target areas that we actually all waited for because I've been talking about them for months, then I'm getting the feeling, you know, are we actually going to hold? I talked about that for Avalanche when we were around $90, gave you that target area, which went down all the way to $58. Today we're at 58. That's, you know, we talked about it, that when we get into this target area, we're gonna talk about, are we actually going to hold the area? And it's looking difficult. I tell you that it's looking difficult. For now, it's holding. But okay, let's go into Bitcoin. Bitcoin, still here holding fairly well above 38K. I posted it on the Telegram group earlier today that since 2014, I think it was, Bitcoin hasn't had 5 red weekly candles in a row. We are currently here. We already are in the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that candle here closes below 39.5K on Sunday, this will be the 5th weekly candle in a row. Just an interesting fact, I think, just to be aware of it. Really don't really know what that means. It certainly means that we are not in an uptrend. And I still wait here for a breakout of that wedge. We see here lower volume. That might be one reason why Bitcoin is hardly moving at all at the moment. While altcoins are dropping, Bitcoin is hardly moving. By the way, all altcoins dropping, deflationary. Yeah, money is being taken out of the system. Yeah, the markets are healing themselves. We had a lot of people, we say a lot of money being printed and so on, but this is destroying money. That is at the moment. Yeah, this is destroying money, what we are doing here at the moment. So it's money is taken out of the system, people selling, yeah, money getting smashed and destroyed. So markets heal themselves. But Bitcoin, yeah, it is in this descending wedge. I do expect here at some point a breakout to the upside, or at least even if we make more lows in this wedge or even break below it, at some point this wave 1 needs to be complete and we need to see a larger correction to the upside in a wave 2. That is still what I expect. Hasn't happened yet. To the upside, we would need to break above, well, ideally above 40.3, say 40.4K. It is now 40.3, 40.4K. Then we are getting back into the channel, and then we can reach that green target area that is located between 42 and 46K. That is still where I expect we should get to complete the wave 2, anywhere in here, and we're going to specify that further the closer we get to it. Can it make another lower low? Yes, it can. In that case, I would have to move that wave 1 further down. Had a viewer who said that in my wave 5, we need to have 5 waves. That's true. Ideally, you have 5 waves, and we can count 5 waves. We can count 5 waves if we go to the 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, whatever, and then we can count actually 5 waves in this 5th wave. So the 5th wave could be complete, because we can count here a wave 1, can count a wave 2, can count a wave 3, can count a wave 4, we can count a wave 5, which would complete that 5th wave, but you only see it on the lower time frames here. I often use the 4-hour chart or the 145-minute chart. That is pretty, 145 minutes here. It's pretty good. Or the 2-hour chart can be used as well. And then in that case, this would be the wave A, this would be the wave B, this would be the wave C, ideally, yeah. That is how it is looking at the moment. But if this is the wave C, the price should now, because this in a wave C you get 5 waves. This could have been the wave 1, this could be the wave 2, then we would now need that wave 3, 4, 5. So then that is how we could get into that area, and then this would sell off. Yeah, this would be an opportunity for the altcoins to recover. Yeah, this would be an opportunity for the altcoins to recover. That is what I'm waiting for, and that is pretty much everything I can tell you at the moment. Yeah, it's not really doing anything here. We are currently holding support here at 38.2 pretty much. That is an important support level, and this is also based on those Fibonacci retracements, because if this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, as I've just shown you. We are here coming back ideally to a perfect retracement level for a wave 2. From that point of view, it makes sense. 38.2k, we talked about that level, and we're holding it for now, and from here we should move up in a wave 3 that should take us into the green target area. Now, when can that happen? At any point now. We need to get volume in. Yeah, you can see how the volume is massively reducing, so we are going to see here a spike in volume soon. Expect that, and that can push altcoins up. The altcoins are not going down and down and down. There will be a corrective move up. They're all oversold now, so there will be a corrective move up. I'm not telling you they go back to new all-time highs from here, but there will be a corrective move up fairly soon, and it is just something to be aware of. I know how it will feel when we wake up maybe tomorrow and we see a lot of green in the market, because they have sold out so much, yeah, and it can't go on forever, and they are all oversold. Bitcoin isn't. Now, if Bitcoin drops to the downside of that wedge, certainly there will be more downside and more blood in the altcoin market. But if this is really breaking to the upside, there will be a huge recovery for altcoins, because they have lost so much value over the weekend. And you can see here how clearly we have here this sort of descending triangle on the volume indicator, which indicates there will be a spike here fairly soon. I can't tell you in which direction. Therefore, any trader should always wait for a signal, always wait for that breakout. If you're trading, yeah, not investing, that might be a bit different. All right, that's my view here about Bitcoin at the moment and the crypto market, a little overview. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. If you really like the content, then check out the channel membership, where you can get access to the Telegram live chat, Discord server, and a weekly live stream. By the way, we've got now more than 1,400 members. So it's a really great community, very calm. I'm very proud of all of you. And anyone who feels he or she needs a little bit of support and community feeling on such a red weekend, I think it's the place to be. Honestly, I really feel really good about this community, and so thankful for everybody who's in that community, in the chat rooms, in a calm way. Yeah, there's always a little bit of panic coming up, as everywhere, but from all the chat rooms that I know, this is a great place to be in the current situation, because we've been waiting for these drops. Yeah, we've been talking about them since December. At the time, I seemed crazy, but there we are. All right, thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.